what we do. If good girls get down on the floor, tell me how low will a bad girl go? She probably pick it up, drop it down real slow. Either that or she's upside down on the pole. That's when I grab the knot, throw it up in the sky. Let it come down slow, watch it all fly. Front to the back, then side to the side. Then we head back to my crib.
Now it's a 4-on-2. Shazam's gonna look to hit that off. Nice shot on nothing. Another one! Oh, Monk Spaghetti! I called it. He's back in this round. Oh, and a third one on Shroud! Can you believe it? It's looking like GG. And still lurking inside there. And Chris can't find the angle. He's looking for Manages to find it there. And he's still alive. A double kill onto AZK. A triple kill onto Skadoodle. Chris J putting a play in for play of the week. And a no-scope by Chris J will take down a Dren. Unbelievable.
Smith's all the way in the background here, trying to hold on to the bomb side. They line up for him. He's going to get another 2 kills. And third kill! You've got to be kidding me. Now it's down to Smith in a 1-on point. And again, he kills everybody. And it's going to be 16.
Push here out of LDLC. They decide to just run straight up short, but Forrest assassinating them left and right, landing headshot after headshot. And it's going to be a third one. Forrest gets the fourth as well. And there you have it. NIP. Exists now, holding towards ours, just dancing on the edge, doesn't want the fully commit. Smith turns away to avoid the flash, but a great flash in. It's not good enough though. NBK, not blind, will take the kills.
Michaelela's position here though. Forrest down the pitch, gonna pick it up. Michaelela to follow. The bomb is struck. He picks up the double kill, turns around, and he headshots him right.
So this is still Hellraiser's going to be buying in the next round. They aren't out of it yet, but unless they line up for JW. 1 shot, 2 kills. Hello.
Beautiful, almost like they choreographed that.
He's going to be picked up soon.
And Shroud's going to get peeked out there. Kerrigan, great shooting by him. And Chris J, he's going to go ahead and get that bomb planted. And Hiko pushing up.
Be peeking up here and Exist just kind of trapped there. I think they realize he's there. Sean, easy pickings here and a really cool triple kill. He's going to be taken down. Sean, quad kills.
Happen for themselves here. They need to find a way to either smoke off cross or anything, but okay then.
A 5-on-3, now a 5-on-2.
He's alive. It's gone. JW. Good shot. Incredible. What? How does he do it? And why wait till now?